Learn salsa dancing for beginners on 2 in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we will learn the right turn crossbody lead. It is a very common way to start many salsa patterns, and it is simply a crossbody lead that starts with a turn to the right. You can use it to upgrade your regular CBL. We will start with the right turn half crossbody lead. Stepping to the front, side, rotate, stepping in place, back on the line and forwards. Yes, day 25. Are you ready? Turn around and let's start. Half basic to the back. Back, 2, 3 and right turn half crossbody lead. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, on the line, forwards and basic. 6. Let's do it again. Right turn half crossbody lead. Are you ready? Let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, back on the line, forwards and basic. 6. You're doing great. Yes, last time slow. Right turn half CBL. Let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, on the line, forwards and full speed, half basic. Let's go. Back 2 and right turn half CBL. Front, side, rotate. Back on the line, basic. 6. Again. Right turn half CBL. Go. Front, side, rotate. Back on the line, basic. 6. Once more. Right turn half CBL. Go. Front, side, rotate. In place on the line, basic. 6. Now turn around, basic. 6. And let's do it again. Slow, half basic to the back. Back, 2, 3, and let's go. Right turn half CBL. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, back on the line. Forwards and basic. 6. Yes, let's do it again. Right turn half CBL. Let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, back on the line. Forwards and basic. 6. Last time slow. Yeah, you're doing great. Let's go. Right turn half CBL. Go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, back on the line. Forwards and full speed, half basic to the back. Back 2 and right turn half CBL. Front, side, rotate. In place, back on the line. Forwards, basic. 6. Again. Right turn half CBL. Go. Front, side, open and back on the line. Basic. 6. Once more. Right turn half CBL. Go. Front, side, rotate and back on the line. 6. And now we'll do the full right turn CBL, starting the same but changing places. Turn around and half basic slow. Back, 2, 3. Let's go. Right turn CBL. Go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, on the line and forwards. Basic. 6. Yes, let's do it again. Right turn half CBL. Yes, starting to the front. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, on the line, forwards and basic. 6. Last time slow. Don't forget to smile. Yes, and let's go. Right turn CBL. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, on the line, forwards and full speed, half basic to the back. Back 2 and right turn CBL. Front, side, rotate. In place on the line, basic. 6. Again, right turn CBL. Let's go. Front, side, rotate. In place on the line, basic. 6. Again, right turn CBL. Go. Front, side, rotate. In place on the line, basic. 6. Practice makes progress. So let's do it again. Slow. Half basic to the back. Let's go. Back, 2, 3, and right turn CBL. Let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place on the line and forwards, basic, 6. Let's do it again. Yes, right turn, CBL, let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right, in place on the line, forwards and basic, 6. Last time slow. Yes, right turn, CBL, let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right, in place on the line, forwards and full speed, half basic, let's go. Back, 2, 3, right turn CBL, front, side, rotate, in place on the line and basic, 6. Let's do it again, right turn CBL, go. Front, side, rotate, in place on the line, basic, 6. Again, right turn CBL, let's go. Front, side, open, in place on the line and basic, 6. And don't miss the muscle tip at the end. Yeah. Now, right turn half CBL. Starting with half basic to the back. Back. 2, 3. Right turn half CBL with no basic. Front, side. Rotate to the right. In place, back on the line. And again, right turn half CBL. Go. Front, side. Rotate to the right. In place, back on the line. And again, right turn half CBL. Front, side, rotate to the right, in place, back on the line, to the front, and now full speed, half basic to the back. Back, 2, and right turn half CBL, front, side, rotate, and once again, front, side, rotate, and again, front, side, open, in place, back on the line, basic, 6. And now let's do the full right turn CBL, starting with half basic to the back, slow, back, 2, 3, right turn CBL with no basic, front, side, rotate to the right, in place on the line, and again right turn CBL, front, side, rotate to the right, in place on the line, and again right turn CBL, front, side, open, in place, on the line, forwards and full speed, half basic to the back, let's go. Back, 2, and right turn CBL, go. Front, side, rotate, no basic, again. Front, side, open, no basic, again. Front, side, open, on the line, basic, 6. And thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the muscle tape at the end. Ready for day 26? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 25 again. The more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. And today's muscle tip: practice with this video again and try to turn under your arm.